I got some hotness in the mail today. I hope it's hotness anyway. But you know how much I love Dudios, right? They came out with something new. The touch-controlled free minis. Hey, what's up? This is Joan McCullough, and I give brutally honest reviews on this channel. So if I like it, I'm pretty sure you will too. Now, I saw that Dudios made yet another pair of wireless earbuds, and I just had to try them out for myself. Let's open this box. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button and turn the bell on so you won't miss anything. Look at how small this is. That's a plus. Got your USB charging cord, ear tips to switch out, and your instructions. So what I'm gonna do now is get these paired up. I'm gonna give them a listen, and I'll be back to let you know what I think. Okay, so I've got them in. I've got a solid seal. They fit really good. Remember, put them in, twist and lock it. I'm just gonna play some random songs so that you can see my natural reaction. So here we go.
Perfect.
Okay, listen. 39 bucks. Now, I've got some other high-end, truly wireless headphones, and I have to say, these are amazing. They're totally amazing, and these make me feel so good inside. I just love them. So as you can see, the unboxing experience was subpar. Basically comes in a cardboard box, nothing fancy compared to its predecessor. This was an experience. But where these lack in presentation, packaging, they more than make up in sound quality. The bass is low, it's not muddy, it's clear and punchy, and you can feel it. The mids and the highs are tuned perfectly. Words just can't express. This little charging case is so small, I know it can fit in my pocket or wherever else I want to tuck it. I am so happy. Dudios just keeps getting better and better every time. I urge you. Everybody needs to hear these at least one time. Let's check out the call quality. Hey, how you doing? All right, you are a part of my YouTube video because I'm calling to check the call quality on these Bluetooth earbuds that I'm testing. Can you hear me okay? You can hear me well. Well, you know what? You sound pretty good too. So I think these are keepers. Okay. Thank you for answering. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, so that was one of my good friends, and she said that I sounded great. At first, she was a little low, and then I thought, well, let me turn the volume up. Not crystal clear, but good. So just let me tell you about the controls. These are tap controls versus the previous models where you had to press and you were just pressing them further in your ear. While you're listening, if you want to play the next song, you double tap on the right earbud. If you want to play the previous song, double tap on the left earbud. There is no volume control on the earbuds themselves. You have to control the volume with your device, which is fine. There's also no app. Again, that's fine. But if you want some amazing Bluetooth earbuds for a budget price, I like it. So I know you'll like it. If you don't believe me, see for yourself. You gotta run to Amazon right now. Actually, the link is in the description. Dudios did not pay me to do this review. I bought these with my own money. However, if you do decide that you want to purchase them from my affiliate link in the description, I will receive a small commission. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to turn the bell on. It's been real. Peace.